Here at the TAPCO Sign Shop, we make each and every sign that we sell, from custom designs to the standard stop signs you see at every corner. Every year, an average of 100,000 signs are produced at our sign shop in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. There are 3 methods of sign making that we employ at TAPCO: screen, digital, and EC printing. With screen printing, the screen is first coated with a photosensitive emulsion. The desired design is printed onto a transparent film and placed onto the screen under UV lighting to cure the emulsion. Once fully cured, the screens are sprayed down with a pressure washer to remove excess emulsion, revealing the design. From there, the press is set up with the screen that was produced, along with the sign blank. That's when ink can be poured onto and spread across the screen to transfer the design to the blank below. Finally, the finished designs are ready to cure under our fans for 3 hours. When it comes to digital printing, which we use for signs that are full color or contain complex details, the process is much simpler. The design is printed directly onto the reflective film and laminated with a clear film for protection against the elements. From there, the sheeting is carefully applied to the sign blank and trimmed as needed. All standard signs are made with aluminum substrate and reflective sheeting and, if applicable, finished with an anti-graffiti overlay. Once the sign shop is finished with the signs, they move on, whether being shipped to our customers or onto our production team to be made into a blinker sign, which any sign can be. From there, signs are used across the country to help improve safety outcomes, whether as a standalone sign or as a part of an intelligent transportation system. And at TAPCO, we're dedicated to safe travels, and the signs that we make have a big impact on safety for all road users.